y'all. So, a disclaimer, okay? This whole closet is meant to be my husband's closet, but until my powder room gets situated, I've been taking up half of his closet, okay? Now, it's a shame because I'm going to go straight to his side so you can see how neat his side is, and then you can see my side. So his side of the closet is so neat. My husband is a neat freak. He has everything nice in place, all his shoes up there. He has a little area, like a little shrine for his hats, you know, more shoes up there, you know. So he has a nice little neat area, nothing on the floor, you know, none of that. None of that. But then when you come over here to my side, this is the part that needs work, okay? So my goal today is just to basically clean up. I got stuff on the floor. I got shoes everywhere. I got my baby stuff hanging up over here, you know. So yeah, it's time. It's time. I can't focus with a bunch of clutter. You know what I mean? So I just have to clean up. I have to get rid of this, okay? I got stuff over here in the back and Benzes. Y'all, don't judge me. Okay? I got my purses up there. Like, yeah. So my goal today is basically to clean up, declutter all of this stuff, maybe organize my clothes, organize my purses up top. I might even get rid of this bins. In this bins is just a bunch of my athletic wear. So I might even get rid of that. Down here I got my scarves and stuff. Oh my god. I got more shoes over here. So baby stuff hanging up. So it's just, I just need to organize. So in this video, you're going to see me organize this mess. And yeah, I'm going to show y'all the final result. So keep watching. So I finally feel like I'm getting somewhere. I can see my floor now, but I still have all of these purses up here to declutter, organize, and then on this side I have my baby stuff to kind of organize. I have his shoes to organize, so it's a process. So stay tuned, keep watching. So right now I already see, like, alright, don't judge me, okay, because my husband called me a hoarder because I like to hold on to stuff. So in this process I want to just get rid of stuff, okay? So I'm doing a full purge of a lot of my baby stuff that he outgrew. I don't know why I'm holding on to it. So what I like to do is just go through his clothes and get rid of the stuff that he can't wear anymore. I like to give it either to Goodwill or either to we have something called Children's Play, not Children's Place, but it's like a Play-Doh's closet for children. And like a lot of this stuff I know, like, he cannot fit anymore. Like this Mickey Mouse hoodie, well, not this one, but this one, yeah, this one too, and this Mickey Mouse hoodie, I know that he cannot fit anymore. I know by next winter he's going to be too big for it. So I'm going to do a clean purge of all his stuff, some shoes that he has that he doesn't even wear. You know, I'm just going to just get rid of a lot of stuff, y'all. Okay, so hopefully by the end of this video, this closet is completely cleaned. And I can see the floor, I can see his side, my side, and yeah. Alright, y'all. Let's make it do what it do. Alright, y'all, so my closet has been cleaned, and these are the baby clothes that I plan on giving away. There's a few items in here that, you know, he cannot fit no more. Like this cute little outfit, this was so cute when I first bought it, but of course, you know, they get big, they grow out of it. This little cute onesie that was given to him as a gift, he can't fit this no more either. So, you know, these are a few things that I will be giving to the children's thrift store. And yeah, so I'm happy that I actually got a chance to clean out my closet today, because like I said, it was getting cluttered and it was just time. All right, so If you come over here, this is the final look of my closet. Yes, yes. As you can see the floor. Thank you, Lord. You can see the floor. I moved my little shoe rack over there. Of course, I got more shoes, but that's just the ones that I keep in this closet for now as like easy access when I need to, you know, just throw something on. I put all of my baby shoes on this side. All of his clothes are just hanging up there, nice and neat. And then on my side, I was able to go through and actually organize my purses. Yeah. Once my powder room gets situated, I'm gonna put all my purses in my powder room. But as for now, they're just there. And I threw that little picture up there for decoration, just to add something girly. But yeah, so I'm happy with the final look of my closet. And I'm so happy I got a chance to actually go through and clean it today. My life feels so much more, you know what I mean? You just feel more stress-free when your house is clean. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter video with me. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day, loves. Bye.